Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my experience on pairing the Disney MagicBand Plus with my app and give you a little information on the Disney MagicBand Plus as well, and show you the two of the three exclusive designs that the Disney Cruise Line has for their MagicBand Plus. So let's get to it. Okay, so as I unpack these, I want to give you a little information on how your Disney MagicBand Plus will interact with your Disney Cruise Vacations, and not only on your Disney Cruise Vacation, but beyond. You can use these on Disney World property, so don't think that they're only good for the cruise. In the box, we only purchased 3, so they come snug in the box. So it does come with a cute little brochure. It says, "Say hello to a hands-free convenience and get ready to experience even more magic on board." Excited for a cruise. It says, "Enjoy all the benefits of a Disney Band Plus. Tap to board your ship on embarkation day, access your stateroom, link your cruise photos to your stateroom, charge specialty beverages, yes, and merchandise to your onboard folio, and discover enchanting surprises." So as of filming this video today on October 1st, the Disney MagicBands are available on the Disney Wish and the Disney Fantasy. So as of October 22nd, 2023, they will be available on the Disney Magic. So again, right now until October 22nd, it's only on the Disney Wish and on the Disney Fantasy. And as of October 22nd, it will be available on the Disney Magic to use. So this is one of the exclusive designs of the Disney Cruise Line. It's teal. It has Captain Mickey. Oh my God, okay. It has Captain Mickey, Chip and Dale, and Pluto. And then on this side, it has Captain Minnie, Goofy, and some cute little designs. So this is one of, again, the Disney Cruise Line exclusive MagicBands Plus. Apart from this exclusive design for the Disney Cruise Line, but this one is available for all ships, the Wish, the Fantasy, and the Magic. This one is exclusive only to the Disney Wish. So these MagicBands are waterproof wristbands enhanced to design your Disney Cruise Vacation. They will be linked to your charge that you have on your stateroom folio. Again, these are the 2 exclusive designs that I purchased. There is another one that's available. I will put that on the screen for you so that you can see that third option. Here is the oh my God, Lee, come on. There you go. Sorry. There's a wristband this side. I like this one. This one's a really nice blue. Again, they'll be linked with your stateroom folios. You also can use them on Disney's private island, Disney's Castaway. So it also says that the wristbands are going to interact with lights and vibration in your dining room, with the fireworks at sea, in the atrium, and for your kids clubs. So this would be something that's cool. I would really like to see how this interacts. I'll be doing that video while on the cruise, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to see our Disney Cruise Line vlogs. This is the other one that we purchased for our daughter. These are available normal on the Disney website. This one's Minnie. Yeah, and she's here. Yeah. And here's this one. Why don't you want to focus? Yeah. All right. So as for kids, I do want to show you that They won't always be this long. They can be tailored to kid sizes. As you can see better from the back, there's like a perforation that you can see that you'll be able to push and take it off, so that now it's a smaller size so that it can fit around your kid's hands. Also, it can fit around skinnier hands as well. So here is the piece that I took off, and then here's the MagicBand Plus. So about 45 days from your sailing, you're gonna be able to purchase these MagicBand Plus for your cruise vacations. You can purchase them directly from the DisneyCruiseLine.com under your reservations tab. The good thing about waiting for the 45 days, for me, it was at the 43-day mark, but you do get 20% off select designs. It's not all the ones that are available on the Disney website that you currently can see, like new models. So these three did have the 20% off. So I got them for about $36. This is something that you're interested in getting and you want to save money for your cruise. I do highly recommend taking advantage of the 20% discount that Disney gives you. I believe you have up to 10 days before you're sailing to purchase these so that they can arrive on time. Now, they don't come fully charged. I did charge this one earlier so that I can make sure I can show you how it pairs onto my phone. But in the box do come the chargers. I do want to tell you as well, they do not come with plugs, so you will have to get, I have one over here. You will have to find yourself a USB plug. I got this one from my old Samsung cell phone because that end attachment is a USB so that you can put it. It's not a USB-C, but I do know that the cruise will have many ports for you to charge them. But if not, then make sure you bring one of these. Like we have 3, so I want to make sure that they're always charged. These aren't like your regular MagicBands. They do need to be charged, and it was recommended for me to have them charged nightly. That way that they are available for your cruise vacation throughout the cruise. So I'm going to show you now how I pair my MagicBand Plus on my Disney Experience app so that these can already be linked with my folio. Okay, so here I have my phone and I have my MagicBand Plus. So I will go to my Disney Experience app and I will go to the 3 lines that are down here. I will scroll to where it says Magic Bands and more. Press pair. I'm doing this the first time with you guys. So it says pair to get the most out of your MagicBand. To power on, press and quickly release the button on the back. So here's the button on the back. So I press and quickly released it. To once powered on, hold down for 3 seconds and release. So we're gonna hold down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then the band will vibrate, which it did. And here it is, pairing in progress. So we're gonna press pair. All right, so we have a pair. So I had to call Disney. I'm waiting to see what they say on linking my MagicBands and what the issue is. So after speaking to a cast member, they so wonderfully helped me connect it. It was having an issue with the pairing. I had to just drop down the Bluetooth, unpair it, and then repair it. And here we are with a perfectly paired MagicBand. Now, as you can see, it does say there's an update available for my band. So I'm gonna hit download and install. It does say it's gonna take about 3 minutes. So keep it close. So I'm going to do that. I'm just gonna keep them close. There are the different color lights you see. and we'll come back. Alright, so let's see if it's done. And yes, it says all set. Your MagicBand Plus has been updated, so let's press continue. And your MagicBand is ready. Okay, so let's see, find MagicBand experience. Here is how it looks again. It's connected. It says up to date. Now on the app, you can see that you can change the color of the theme of how it lights up. So you can do the passenger and pals, which this is the passenger and pals MagicBand. You can do, let me see if I can hold it with one hand. You can do red, there's red. You can do pink. You can do purple, blue, yellow. So we're gonna do the passenger and pals one. So we saved it. So it's been updated. Now it's uploading on the app. So you can change the brightness of the band light. You can reduce the brightness. You can take off the vibration. You can increase the motion recognition. And you can connect Park Experience if you want to turn this off. So Park Experience is your MagicBands will also work in Disney World parks. And currently they have the statues that were from the 50th anniversary, which if you get near them and you wave your MagicBand, you can interact with them. You'll get different sounds and hellos from the statues. So that's something fun. So let's see what else. I think we're done with this one. And then again, you can report if lost. So that was connecting our MagicBands. And again, this is my beautiful MagicBand.